guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Steven Spencer. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while, I've just had a lot going on, but I'm back now, and I just figured I'd come on here and do a small little unboxing video for you guys. And now I ordered another package from TerraVision Records and Video, and this is for the Cannibal Campout VHS from 1988. Directed by John McBride. Now, I'm super excited to unbox this, and it also came with a separate tape, and I'll show that here in just a second. But when you open up the box, this is pretty much the first thing you're going to see. You're going to see this. This is the ticket slip. Now, I paid $25 for this, and the total come out being $30. Really, really awesome. And you also get these with it, these really cool TerraVision stickers. And you get this, and I'll read you guys what this says. Greetings from TerraVision in Savannah, Georgia. You'll notice that a VHS you purchase has come with a shrink-wrap sleeve copy as well as a rare unsleeved tape. This is because our first batch was sent out with a minor defect. So feel free to display or not display, but entirely left up to you, of course. Free to contact us at alanagrayface@gmail.com. Thank you so much for your support. And here we have the VHS itself, the Cannibal Campout VHS. Really, really cool, and I absolutely love it. And I also have another tape that I got from them, and this is the rare unsleeved version of the Cannibal Campout. Really, really awesome. And I absolutely am super excited to own both of these in my collection. And I will leave the link to TerraVision in the subscription box down below. That way you guys can check them out. And I absolutely love Cannibal Campout. Really, really cool. And I would highly recommend it. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today, because it is such a beautiful day. And I will see you guys in my next video. So stay tuned. Peace.